me just cut in front of that other car and take that parking spot. Is that guy gonna go, or where's he going? He's just gonna go real slow, I guess. This guy ain't in no hurry, that's for damn sure.
You don't have to worry about flight reservations or an expensive rental car. You have your own private bathroom or private kitchen, all the comforts of the home, and you are in charge of where you take that home. So, if you want to go see amazing RVs, trailers, fifth wheels, even a van that you can park and drive like an ordinary car,
Governor Newsom today in San Diego County, officially signing executive orders eliminating the color-coded tier system in the state.
That blueprint will no longer exist next Tuesday, pursuant to these two executive orders, one winding things down, another lifting.
Good parking spot there, buddy.
That blueprint, which has been
Good
in effect for over 40 weeks here in the state of California.
The color-coded.
Oh boy, you guys need a smaller. Oh, I can't get any better there, buddy. It reminds me of driving in Japan. Oh man, it's tight in this parking spot. Oh, I thought that was a spot.
men have been indicted on conspiracy charges in the January 6th attack. Authorities say the 6 men joined a Telegram chat on New Year's Day to coordinate with other people ahead of the riot. Hofstadter founded the far-right group American Peace Project to protest coronavirus restrictions and has also used the group to advocate for violence against people who supported the results of the election. Prosecutors say Hofstadter and another man tried pushing through a line of officers on the West Terrace. Hofstadter's attorney says he's troubled by the indictment, noting Hofstadter is not accused of committing any violence and never entered the Capitol building.
That's Steve Rappaport reporting, and of course today's a big day if you're a fair.
You shouldn't have done that.
Fair because of the pandemic over the last year, officially opening today, but on a much.
Yeah, you just hit that car. Oh no. You might as well pull back into your parking spot. Oh, don't hit this Volkswagen. Volkswagen, don't back up into me. Oh, don't hit him again. Oh my goodness. Are you going to hit and run? I don't know what she's doing. Oh good, she's going to do the right thing, I think. This Volkswagen was waiting to get her parking spot. There's no way I could fit in it. Oh man. I don't think the Volkswagen can fit into it from that angle. Well, she left. Oh, this guy's going to try to back in? Good luck. Might get crash number 2 now.
Touch no matter where we're mowing, and keep the social feed updated so the whole town knows who's taking charge of these yards.
You work hard. That's why Metro makes switching easy. Right now, there's 0 fees to switch. Enjoy Metro's lowest price on Unlimited. Just $25 a line for 4 lines. Plus,
And people are asking, why aren't they doing this as a criminal complaint? Because they can't prove the case. This is not a criminal trial. This is not an impeachment. This is an indictment. It's literally not an impeachment from the language of the law.
What do we got going on up here? Somebody probably crossing the street up there.
Taking a while.
So they just got posted right at midnight last night. Holy moly. If you can get around this guy, get around him. I don't know if you'll be able to get around him though. See if you can get around him now. Oh, well, not now. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Oh boy. I figured there's something going on. He's not even in his truck. Where'd he go? He just parked. He just parked there. Oh boy. Probably stopped there because somebody's parked in the middle of the lanes. That's not where you want to park. Might as well. It's one of those days.
All the memories and all that
tumbleweed. Tumbleweed.
Just let us see when we'll be finding. Hey, come with us and walk along the road, along the road. Everything we've done, everything to come, we will always hold together.
Oh yeah, come on over, baby. Good job. You wanted to take that too late, didn't you?
Naiwan yung...
Well, they do have a little bit of a line there today.
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh nga daddy.
Well, they might be moving quickly. Let's see. That's the end of it right there. They're crazy business. They got crazy business here. It's just crazy successful.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture in my mind the nights with you. I'm ready to enjoy the ride. I don't wanna die, but I could die in your arms, 'cause I don't need to live forever. I don't need to live forever. 'Cause I don't. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. And every way you keep me started a fire, baby. Then I'm going deep, deep in.
It says no U-turn right there, buddy. It says no U-turn right there.
Takut ke polis, orang